Connected Corridor.
The Connected Corridor. The Connected Corridor.
The Connected Corridor.
The Connected Corridor is a project that is based on the Atlantic Corridor. It's one of our main streets that bisects our city of Long Beach. And it's a transformational project. And what that means is it's really about social infrastructure, building the people that live, work, play, and pray along the Atlantic Avenue.
The Connected Corridor project has been an incredible project for the entire city, and particularly for our program, they've enabled us to continue functioning to do what we do here. The Catalyst space is kind of like a community center. It's a multifunctional space that we rearrange based on what's going on here.
Connected Corridor has really helped us because we were able to connect ourselves with resources and new people too. People that were new to us but that were already existing in the community doing their thing. So basically we're a social network for the city of Long Beach. We're a community building tool that helps the community know a lot about the news, arts and culture going on, some of the businesses that are highlighted, and basically is your social network.
This project is really about people. And what we wanted to do was connect people up and down the corridor in such a way that they could have a stronger voice in the future of their community.
We are a custom printing and embroidery, screen printing and embroidery shop. We customize t-shirts, put your logo on them, put your design on them. Connected Corridor has helped. We're helping the community by doing a different amount of things. Right now we are the lead project design team for what's called CaliforniaHeightsLiving.com. It's a local community website that engages the residents to the local community.
Through Weed and Seed, we applied to Connected Corridor to fund our vision, and we backed it up with the community residents and what they said they needed in their community. And after-school programs for youth was their top 3. And Connected Corridor really listened to that and shared our vision of developing a youth leadership program that focused on the individual growth and development of our youth, as well as family engagement and then community change through youth leadership and advocacy.
We're seriously committed to young people here at Pan-African Art. We work with inner city youth from all different areas, children that are interested in learning anything about fine art or history and culture. We teach all of it. One of the things about this project, it allowed us to be able to get supplies for the children. We were able to get clay and pencils and paper and paint.
As we're wrapping up the Connected Corridor project, I don't feel that we're ending anything by any means. I think if anything, you're just on the tip of the iceberg to see new relationships, new partnerships, and collaborations flourish. The people here have been so incredible along the Atlantic Corridor. Again, the people that work, live, play, and pray have all come out to be a part of it.
The Long Beach Community Foundation has funded the Connected Corridor to connect people to people and people to resources.